the start of conquering my paper scraps, I decided that I needed a compartmentalized scrap keeper, so I made one. The basic form is made out of scrap foam core. Yes, I keep all sorts of scraps around because I might use them in another project, such as this. I measured and cut my pieces of foam core, planning out my design. Then I put them together with a hot glue gun. Foam core is also a wonderful and cheap construction material. I have made many things out of it. I wanted the top edges to be smooth, so first I covered the tops with plain white contact paper. When I was cleaning out my supply closet, I found these rolls of contact paper that I had forgotten that I even had. I last used them probably more than 23 years ago. Yep, I saved them that long because I might use them for a project such as this. Next, I covered the bottom with a contact paper that has a printed design on it. Yeah, I have two rolls, one printed and one white. I cut the piece larger than the bottom so that it will come around the corners. That just helps, better construction. Now for a finished outside edge. I cut some tag board, also scraps, saved from the backs of pads of art paper. Yes, I saved them too, because you can make so many things out of cardboard, and cardboard is another cheap construction material. I measured and cut the tag board to fit each of the four sides, then taped them together with masking tape while they're clipped surrounding my paper caddy. That allows them to have a slight gap for the bend in the corner. My plan was to cover the tag board on all four sides so that my folded over edges would be hidden and I would have a clean, smooth top edge. My contact strip was too short, so I had to cut a second piece and match up the design. I could have cut the strip from the roll lengthwise, but it would have left an awkward cut-off strip from the roll. I don't mind having a seam that is barely noticeable. Once I got the four joined strips covered, I once again used hot glue to secure it in place. Now I have a great little paper sorter for my small scraps that stay on my desktop where I make cards or do some scrapbooking or other paper projects. It is easy to thumb through and the first place I go when I need a small piece of colored paper. Also, when I finish a project, I will cut my scraps, kinda squarish, and store it in one of these little cubby holes. Next project, I am going to conquer the rest of my paper scraps, and that is the subject of my next video. Actually, I've already done it, and it's already recorded. I just have to edit it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see what I am doing next week. I've already kind of told you what the next video is. Thanks for watching.